Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be explaining the Verizon Family App, including the difference between the free and the plus versions, the key features, and whether it is worth using in 2026. So, the Verizon Family App is a family safety and personal control app that helps parents manage and monitor family members' smartphones. Once it is installed, it allows you to track the locations, review the calls and the text activities, and receive the safety alerts from a single dashboard. To use it, parents install the main app on their phone and the companion app on their child's device, which allows the system to share the location data and activity information. The free version already includes several useful safety tools like real-time location tracking, one location or boundary alert, safe walk, and SOS emergency alerts, review Verizon call and text activity. However, the premium version, which is called the Verizon Plus, unlock some other advanced parental controls like multiple locations and boundary alerts, screen time controls and internet pause, content filtering for the apps, etc. The basic Verizon Family app is free for Verizon postpaid customers, but if you want extra controls, the Verizon Family Plus usually going to cost you about $14.99 per month per account, though some newer version plans offer it for around $10 per month as a plan perk. So the real question here is, should you actually use it in 2026? So the free version is great if you simply want location tracking, safety alerts, and basic activity monitoring. But Verizon Family Plus is better for the parents with younger kids or teens because it adds tools like screen time management, internet pause, and content filtering. Many families use it as a simple alternative to any other family safety applications. So if this video helped you understand the Verizon Family app better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.